Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to show you a video that I have made so that you can see how to check if the vacuum pump leaks oil through the sealing ring. Here, that is the vacuum pump, with your finger from the bottom, touching the bottom of the vacuum pump in the cylinder head. You move a little and there you see if the finger comes out with oil, with traces of oil. Okay, for example, it has no problem. You see, the finger came out clean. Come on, clean of oil. Then you see that is the way I say to check if it loses oil. It is a very simple way that any of you can do, then, depending on the amount of oil, because it would be convenient to change that sealing ring, or you can wait a bit. Okay, well, here is the video. I hope it has been useful, and if so, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.